Okay, let's get a couple more of these done. So we have 1 minus x equals 1/2. Once again, I do it this way. I'm sorry, people are like texting me. I do it this way just because it's much more easier for me to comprehend. So let's just do this. Boom. To both sides. Now we have negative x equals 1/2 minus 1. Now obviously we know how to do that, so we have negative x equals negative 1/2. Not too bad, right? We can divide both sides by the negative 1. X equals 1/2. Now what does that actually mean? We're going to substitute that cosine back in for x. So we're going to have cosine theta equals 1/2. Now, we need to know exactly where these things are, so we use the arc cosine of both of them, which would give us theta pi over 3. Not too bad, right? And where else would it be located? I believe, I look at my unit circle, 1 second. Yeah, 5 pi over 3. So both answers will always have the same denominator, and in pi, obviously, it's just you need to know what quadrant it is to know the radian, but that's about it for that one. Let's go ahead and do the following one, the tangent one. So once again, I like to always substitute any trigonometric ratio for x. So we could think of this as x plus 1 equals 0. Oops, sorry, I got ahead of myself, right? X equals 0 minus 1, which equals x equals negative 1. Substitute back in tangent, so tangent of theta equals negative 1. Got it. Now we're going to do the arc tangent, which would be pi equals negative pi over 4. Theta equals negative pi over 4. Another place in which other quadrant it would be located would also be 3 pi over 4. Oops, 3 pi over 4. So I use unit circles for this part, or you could just calculator it if your calculator is fancy and nice. Yeah, it's pretty chill. This type of math is not really at all challenging. Let's try this one. So x plus 1 equals 0. It's kind of the same thing as before. X equals negative 1. So now we put in cosine back for that. Equals negative 1. Now we're going to do the arc cosine of this, which would just be pi. Yeah. Yep. Because remember, right? Cosine, sine. So this is how I'm looking at it on the unit circle. So any point where it is, x and y values, that's kind of what I'm doing. And that's about it for that one.